멀어지는 뒷모습을 보며 하지 못한 말들이 목에 걸려 안녕이라는 그 흔한 인사도 오늘은 왜 이렇게 힘든 건지 가지 말라고 붙잡고 싶지만 이미 멈춰버린 우리 시간들 그리움만 가득 찬 이 방에서 홀로 너를 다시 그려본다 너를 다시 그려본다 되돌릴 수 없는 길 위에 서서 후회라는 비를 맞고 있어 제발 꿈이라면 깨어나게 해줘 너 없는 세상은 의미 없잖아 이제는 정말 안녕 잘 가요
Are heavy with the secrets we kept. Walking the sidewalk where the summer once slept. I see your shadow in every puddle I pass. Watching the world through a pane made of glass. Just me and the rhythm of rain on the street, tracing the ghost of the life that was sweet. And it feels like a warm embrace in the cold, a story that's waiting, a hand I can't hold. Every drop is a name that I whisper to the wind, counting the places where our story began. Oh, the rain doesn't wash out the light, it just makes the colors of memory burn bright, memory bright. Do you remember the bridge near the park? We shared a thin umbrella and laughed in the dark. The scent of the asphalt and the pine in your hair. For a moment I could almost feel you right there. But the droplets get heavier, the sky turns to gray, and the dream that I'm chasing starts drifting away. Soft humming.
The walls are talking, but they're whispering your name. Just a shadow dancing in the fireplace flame. I'm counting heartbeats in the middle of the night. Searching for a reason in the cold neon light. Oh, it's just me and the echo in the hall, waiting for a signal, waiting for your call. Oh, every silence feels a little bit too deep. In this house of secrets that I used to keep. In this house of secrets that I used to keep. Did I say it all? Or did I say too much? I'm reaching out for something I can never touch. Just a ghost in the static, just a breath in the air. Oh, it's just me and the echo in the hall, waiting for a signal, waiting for your call. Oh, waiting for your call, waiting for your call. Ooh.
Does the clock truly mend the heart, or does it simply tear the world apart? I'm standing here in the silence of the dust. I'm standing here in the silence of the dust, with nothing left but shadows I can trust. Oh, let the sky open up and drown the light. I cannot face the healing of the night.
torchlight glow. The secrets we shared that the wind didn't know. The coffee was hot and the air was still. We had all the time that a heart could fill. Looking back now, it's a golden haze before the frost touched the autumn days. Oh, we were running in the sun, thinking the race was already won. But the seasons turn and the colors fade in the silent house that we both made. In the silent house that we both made.
I remember the shift, the night you turned a page in a book that we had burned. The violin played a different tune, a colder light from a different moon. Nothing was broken, it just came apart. A quiet landslide in a shared heart.
And the memories fade, but they still remain like the ghost of a song in the softest rain. The shadows lengthen on the hallway floor, counting every ghost behind the door. I built a kingdom out of shifting sand. I hold the wreckage in my hand, and it's a long way down from where I fell in the silent ringing of the final bell. I'm screaming at the sky, but the words are gone, chasing shadows in the cold light. and the echoes of regret.
The lights are low, the ice is gone. I'm counting minutes till the dawn. The walls are talking in your voice, but silence was my only choice. One more for the road I never took. One more chapter in a half-read book. Oh, the way we were is just a stain on the bottom of this glass again. A velvet ghost in every chair. I'm reaching out, but no one's there. It's a beautiful, broken kind of blue. Just a shadow where I used to have you. Just a shadow where I used to have you. Lost in the blue, just me and you in the night, in the night.
Coffee's getting cold again, sitting by the sink. I forgot to buy the sugar, I forgot how not to think. The silence has a rhythm now, a hollow sort of beat. I'm tracing patterns on the floor with my tired, dusty feet. I'm trilling patterns on the floor with my tired, dusty feet. It's a long way down to the middle. It's a slow way back to the start. Just a quiet, yeah, it's sort of mending for a very common heart. Found your sweater in the hallway, smells like pine and rain. I almost called to tell you, then I felt the familiar vein. The neighbor's dog is barking at nothing on the street, and the world just keeps on spinning beneath my tired feet. Just tired feet. Let it stop now.
If I could reach into the dark and pull the fire from the spark, I'd scrub the colors from the gray and wash the heavy ghost away. Every corner holds a trace of a memory I can't erase. Reaching for the empty space where your shadow used to pace. Erase the echo, break the glass. Let the bitter seasons pass. I'm screaming for the silence now. I'd lose it all.
The air is heavy with the weight of ghost. All the letters that I never sent, standing where the silence hurts the most. Wondering where all the courage went. Oh, the words that never left my tongue. Now they're ringing like a funeral bell. A secret song that should have been sung. A story that I was too afraid to tell. Too afraid to tell. Just one more second to say it right. Just one more second before the morning steals the night. Too late. Now it's just the echo. 그때 우린 참 예뻤는데 왜 이렇게 멀어졌을까. 햇살 아래 너의 미소 아직 선명한데 잡지 못했던 그 손틈 사이로 시간은 무심히 흘러가. 그때 우리 참 예뻤는데 다시 돌아갈 수 있다면 너를 놓지 않았을 텐데 가지 말라고 붙잡지 못한 내 어리석음이 이제와 가슴을 짓누르고 있어. 그때로 돌아가 너를 안아줄 텐데 후회 속에 갇힌 내 목소리가 너를 놓지 않았을 텐데 사랑한다는 그 한마디가 그리 어려웠는지 바보처럼 망설이다 널 떠나보냈어. 매일 밤 꿈속에서 나는 널 다시 만나. 제발 가지 말라고 소리치지만 텅 빈 방에 홀로 깨어나 흐느낄 뿐이야. 안녕 나의 사랑.
내 흔적들이 내 흔적들이 자꾸만 나를 울게 해 자꾸만 나를 울게 해 지우려 해도 지워지지 않는 너라는 기억의 조각들 너라는 기억의 조각들 가지 말라고 붙잡지 못한 가지 말라고 소리치 못한 바보 같은 내 마음만 잊지 못해
이제는 너를 보내줘야 하는데 마음이 말을 듣지 않아 사랑해서 미안해 너를 잡지 못했어도 잘 가 내 사랑.
창밖엔 비가 내리고 내 마음엔 네가 내려 내 마음엔 네가 내려 차가운 공기 속에 스며든 너의 향기 조용히 내려앉은 밤의 끝자락에 흩어진 기억들을 다시 주워 담아 비가 오면 생각나는 사람 바로 너란 거라니 가슴 시린 아픔 속에 피어난 너의 이름 지우려 해도 더욱 선명해지는 얼굴 눈물이 차오르는 이 밤을 어찌할까 비가 오면 생각나는 사람 바로 너라는 거라니 바로 너란 거라니 비가 그치지 않는 것처럼 내 눈물도 멈추질 않아 쏟아지는 소나기처럼 밀려오는 후에 닿을 수 없는 곳에 너를 홀로 두고 바보처럼 여기 서서 너를 부르네 비가 오면 생각나는 사람 바로 너라는 거라니 지독한 이 그리움이 나를 삼키려 해 너 없는 계절 속에 갇혀버린 시간 간절히 원해 너의 그 따뜻한 미소 비가 오면 생각나는 사람 바로 너라는 거라니 바로 너라는 거라니 비가 오면 생각나는 사람 너란 거라니
전하지 못한 말들을 이 편지에 재 적어 본다. 서툰 내 마음이 너에게 닿기를 닿기를 그리운 얼굴이 눈아짐 앞에 선명한데 숨을 고르며 마지막 인사를 보낸다. 부디 행복해져 나보다 더 좋은 사람 만나서 나보다 더 좋은 사람 만나서 나를 잊고 웃어주길 바래 환하게 웃어주길 바래 내 몫의 눈물까지 시간이 흐르면 너의 그늘에서 벗어나 이제는 법을 배워볼게. 진심으로 빌게. 너의 내일을 위해 사랑했다 정말 진심으로 안녕. 부디 행복해져. 나보다 더 좋은 사람 만나서, 나보다 더 좋은 사람 만나서 나를 잊고 웃어주길 바래. 안녕 나의 사람아. 이제 원이 닿지 않을 나의 진심을 담아.